In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a staff name in Fresha software. Whether you're managing a growing team or simply onboarding a new colleague, this short guide will help you get them into your Fresha system smoothly and efficiently. So, let's dive in and take it step by step. First, we'll want to start by opening your web browser. Make sure it's one you regularly use. This way, you'll have all your usual bookmarks and settings at hand. Once your browser is open, you simply need to navigate to the Fresha website. If this is your first time accessing it, you might want to bookmark it for easy access in the future. Now that we're on the Fresha site, you'll need to log in. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you access the correct account. Having multiple accounts can be a bit confusing, so it's always a good idea to double-check your login information before proceeding. Once you're logged in, take a moment to find the Team panel or section. Fresha's user interface typically organizes these sections pretty intuitively, so you should see it listed among your main navigation options. Clicking on Team will direct you to the area where you can manage your existing staff and add new members. In this section, you'll see an Add button. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding a new team member. It's quick and straightforward, so just move forward with ease. Here comes a crucial part. You'll need to fill in the required fields. Start with the staff member's full name. It's essential to be precise with names for clarity and professional records. Next, include their email address. This will be used to send them an invitation and their login credentials. Assigning a job title is also key, as it'll help categorize staff roles within your system. Don't forget to select a specific color for their calendar. A distinct color helps in scheduling and identifying appointments at a glance. Beyond the basics, there are optional details you might want to consider. Adding a home address and an emergency contact can be useful information to have on file. And if you have a profile picture handy, be sure to upload that too. It adds a personal touch and makes internal communications more relatable. The next step involves workspace details. Here, you'll assign the specific services and locations that the new staff member will be associated with. This ensures their schedule and responsibilities are accurately reflected within the system. Another crucial aspect is choosing the appropriate permission level for this team member. Permissions determine their access to various sections of the workspace, and you'll want to align this with their role to maintain both security and efficiency. Finally, after everything is filled out and double-checked, click Add. This action saves the profile and sends an invitation to the new team member, allowing them to join your Fresha workspace with ease. And there you have it, a seamless process to add a staff name in Fresha. Simple, right? Keep these steps handy the next time you need to expand your team. Thank you for watching, and happy managing.